How to use ChatGPT for customer support. If you actually want to use ChatGPT for customer support, it's actually quite simple. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can use your ChatGPT for customer support. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So you know that ChatGPT is basically a very fast AI tool in the present context of 2023, and even in the coming years, ChatGPT AI is simply going to be one of the best still for a decade. Now, the thing you want to understand is here that ChatGPT is not a plugin, and it is certainly not any type of extension that you can integrate to your website for customer support, which means that directly you can integrate it as a tool for your website so that customers can automatically talk to you from ChatGPT. By letting the ChatGPT know about the FAQ and so on, will ChatGPT be able to interact with the customers? The answer is yes, but of course, not directly, but indirectly. So as I said, ChatGPT is not directly integratable inside of your website's ecosystem. So you cannot integrate ChatGPT. Currently, OpenAI has not worked in such a code so that they can release it and they can give it to the general public. But the thing you can do is that if a customer asks a specific question and then you are not sure about the answer, you can simply come to ChatGPT, ask for the response, and then you will be able to go ahead and respond to them accordingly. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you in the next video.